How to delete messages on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete messages on the Grindr app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Grindr account, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to delete messages, go to inbox from the menu at the bottom. After that, open the chat box whose message you want to delete. Now in order to delete a particular message, tap and hold the specific text for a few moments. Then you will get various options as you can see on the screen. In order to delete the message or text, you can simply tap on the delete message option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, a notification pop-up like this will appear. Now you can select your desired preference. After you confirm it, the message will be deleted on the Grindr app. By this way, you can delete the messages that you received as well as the text messages that you sent. So in this way, you can easily delete messages on Grindr. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.